Ladies and gents, just had a 17, you can see it there. It's a lead bird. Let's pick it up and have a look. Not sure how old it is, ladies and gents. I mean, I'll clean it up in a minute and come back on video, but it's lead, it's quite heavy. It's definitely some kind of bird, like a swallow or something like that. I'm not sure what bird it is. Not sure how old it is or anything. I'm just searching the area where I found that strap end, so what do you reckon? I've had all ages off here, including Roman. So let me know what you think. I'll clean up and come back. So there we go, ladies and gents, it's cleaned up and it's got coloration on it. You can quite clearly see it used to have, or it still has got, some kind of gilding on it. So what are we thinking? It's got a decoration on the breast there, look. Just not seen anything like this myself. I've never found anything like it, so looks like it used to have something coming off the side there. But yeah, really not too sure, ladies and gents. Let me know what you think. Beautiful though. Welcome, ladies and gents. You're about to watch a short video by Detecting with Dale. I am Dale, and if you enjoy the video, please hit that subscribe button, but also hit that notification button so you know when I launch a new video. I hope you enjoy, and here we go. Let's get straight into it. Ladies and gents, haven't dug many holes so far. I'm going over old ground because it's nice and soft, and it's normally quite stony and hard here, so thought I'd give this a good go, where I've had medieval, Bronze Age, Roman, all sorts. And I've just come across the first decent find, and I'm not sure what it is. It does have some kind of shield or plaque on the front there. Let me zoom in. There you go. What do you think? Pretty plain on the back. I mean, what we thinking, guys and girls? I was thinking maybe a strap end, but it's quite a thick bit of metal. So, answers on a postcard on that one, but that's the first decent find of the day. Well, ladies and gents, just dug an 8, sort of a medium deeper tone. Turned out to be a Jetton 8 on the Equinox. I mean, it is broken, so that's why it was obviously coming up as a low number. You can quite clearly see that is a Jetton. It's writing on there. It's a bit dirty on that side, so I don't want to rub it too much, but I'll clean it up and put a picture in. But yeah, come up as an 8, so got to dig those low numbers. I was thinking it might be a quick cut quarter, but surprised to see a Jetton pop up. Just had this little hook come up, ladies and gents. It looks quite old. It's got like a little plate just here, and then it sort of hooks there. So it's sort of, there's a little bit of flex in there, but not sure what it is. But it looks quite old anyway, so might be Elizabethan. I found Elizabeth the first coins around this area, so, or it might even be Georgian, you never know. Let's keep going. Just found this tiny little button. Again, could be Elizabethan, that one. It's got a little sort of cracked not going to say stone in the middle, but some kind of cracked decoration. But the Coiltech 10x5 coil, you won't be disappointed because it's pulling out little tiny things like that. So that's amazing. That's my middle finger, and that's the scale of what the size is. So I come up as an 8 in the hole, 11 out of the hole. Ladies and gents, we've got our first hammered coin of the day. It's cut half. Again, the Coiltech picked up no problem whatsoever. It's sort of a medium to high tone, more towards the medium but higher than medium. And it's cut half. Like I said, I've had lots of Elizabethan from here, but I'm not sure that will be Elizabethan. Let's see if I can get the spray. Bear with me a sec. Can you tell what it is yet? Might be a Henry or something like that. So a short cross to me. Let's just zoom in a bit, shall we? Yeah, it's a short cross. Not very good at dating these, but it's probably going to be a Henry the third or something, is it? I can't remember what the short crosses are, to be honest. Nice little coin. Try and get an idea off the experts and put it up in this video. Beautiful. Really nice, strong, crisp signal, that one. Let's crack on. Ladies and gents, just had a 9. Believe it or not, these could be medieval tweezers. You can see the splayed end at the end there. That sort of narrows down and would have come out and round and back to form some tweezers. Strong possibility of that. Right near that hammered. Let's carry on. Next signal, ladies and gents, just thought I'd show you. It's a musket ball. Probably 1600, something like that. No strong signal. Ladies and gents, just had a 12 come up. There's something a bit nice. Can you see it? On the clod. Let's pick it up. It's a strap end. It's a nice one as well. Look at that. That's a beauty. Zoom in a bit. Not sure of the date. I don't know if it's Saxon or whether it's a little bit later, say 1100s. Early medieval though, I would say. So that's a beauty. Really happy with that. I'll look up the date and put it on. Let's crack on. Ladies and gents, another musket ball, comes 1516. Still got the little tag on there. I think that's like, this is not a musket ball. I think they used to make them and used to break them off. So much to make them in mass and then break them off, but I'm not sure. It might be something else. I mean, looks like it served a purpose, to be fair. Anyway, I'm going to say it's a musket ball for now, but if you know any different, let me know. Ladies and gents, just got a loud 29 screeching signal. It's just a penny, an old penny. Probably nothing on it, probably, but so we're looking at probably Georgian 1700s, 1800s. See, there's nothing really to show on there. Banging signal though, so really high pitch. I just found this little anchor button. That was a 12 on the Equinox with the Cortec Timber 5. Quite a tiny little button. Thought I'd show you that one because a decoration on it. Let's move on. Ladies and gents, just had this military button, general service military button. It's got a little loop attached to the back. Not had one like that before. I've had plenty of the buttons, but not one with a loop attached to the back, so I thought I'd just show you that one. Interesting. I don't know if it was put on there as standard or whether it's been done for some reason. I don't know what reason it would be, but there you go. Ladies and gents, just found a coin spill, £4 coins, but two of them, old pound coins they are, two of them are rare. Well, I say rare, they've got a back, as you can see there, not your standard, so I'm going to look them up when I get home. But they're nice to find. Not that old, 2004, 2005, but they've got a nice reverse, not your conventional reverse, so I'm going to look them up. Let's carry on. Happy New Year, everybody who supports my channel. Just like to say thank you for supporting the channel. The channel is actually thriving, so I'm giving you just a bit of an update on what's going on with the channel if you're interested. So channel's actually hit, well, succeeded 1100 subscribers now. Seems to be ticking along quite nicely. Now I'm over the 1,000 mark, so everything's going well. It's really good to see views off the back of hard work of obviously recording, editing videos, so that's absolutely fantastic, and thank you all for that. I'm going to continue to use the Equinox 800 and sometimes the Nokta Legend. I'm not at this stage going for any upgrade to the Equinox 900 or even the Manta Core. So just to let you know on that, I'm going to be switching between the Coiltech 10x5 coil and the standard stock coils, either the 15-inch or the standard, I can't remember the size, medium coil. A lot of people are going for the Equinox 900. The only reason I would probably switch, it's obviously got a few different features, upgrades, but the main reason is the weight. But as soon as you put that 10x5 coil on the Equinox 800, it's so light, you can swing it all day. And I haven't even got the carbon stem on the 800. So if you haven't got the 10x5 Coiltech coil and can't afford to upgrade to a 900, perhaps try and get the Coiltech 10x5 because it absolutely changes the machine and the weight and the feel and the swing of the whole metal detector. So it's absolutely fantastic. And then as a personal note, I'm just trying to lose some weight this year. It's January, I know, but I'm going to try and lose a couple of stone because, to be honest, I've been quite lazy. Health wise, I felt pretty bad, really. I mean, I can't maneuver as well, can't bend over and twist, and aches and pains are terrible when you start putting on a bit of weight. So I'm going to try and lose a couple of stone, so look out for that, and try and encourage me in the comments every video. And every Thursday I'm going to try and put a video out, so it'll be just like clockwork, and then I'll have my usual shorts. So everything's looking good. We find some nice stuff, and hopefully we'll continue to do so. I've got 3 nice permissions that I sort of rotate on, one more than others, but yeah, everything's hunky-dory. So hope everyone has a bit of luck if you're a metal detectorist yourself. If you're not, thanks for watching the channel and being interested in what we do, and I'll see you on future videos.